you know what? We want to finish on an up note. Jeff, you're not here. Where the F are you, Jeff?
I'm right here.
All
Not
right.
you, Jeff.
Well,
I have a new favorite for Micah. He's one of our contributors. He was one of our town hall meetings.
Okay.
And his name is Jeff, and he's writing for RSG now. And I love Jeff. Jeff, you know I love you. Don't. I'm just messing with you, especially if your wife is watching. So I know, you know what I'm saying? So here's the deal, Chris. You want to do this, bro? Because
sure.
Yeah, I don't want to do this because Jeff, you know, is gonna say like, "Oh, Sergio, you're kissing my ass because you call me all these names." I'm like, no,
all right,
no.
I'll read it.
Yeah.
All right. So this is a email from Jeff, and I'm sure Sergio and I will probably.
He's here.
Oh, there he is.
Here, Captain, my captain. There you go, Jeff.
All right. Well, Jeff's kindness and service equals tips. And he does. He gets a good amount of tips when it comes down to his tip percentage. So he definitely does. And it comes down to him and his personality versus,
yes, he does.
You know, just the average Joe Schmo who thinks that getting in, you know, going out driving and only getting 20% is a good thing. So good morning. Hope you have a great week. How many reasons does a driver need to refuse or cancel? I'll count them. Yesterday, as my 12-hour clock was running out, I got a last ride that was short and nearby, but they canceled immediately. The next ride was first, 13 minutes away. And the reason to cancel is the first, second, third. So that's what you're getting at. The first 13 minutes away. Second reason to cancel, the ride was 29 minutes in the opposite direction I wanted to go. Third, since it was 29 minutes, I knew I was going to get paid at least a couple of dollars less than what we were used to get paid. All right, Jeff, at least you know that. And if you're okay with taking that ride, well, hey, more power to you.
Exactly.
I took the ride, and as I drove there, I noticed a message from the rider. It said something like, fourth reason to cancel, need a big car for bags. Is that okay? I texted and asked how many people. The reply I got was the fifth reason. She's legally blind and has a cat. At that point, I was laughing, said yes, and kept going. As I pulled into the apartment complex, I immediately saw the sixth reason to cancel. A bunch of bags, laundry baskets, a stroller piled up on the sidewalk. I have a bigger van, so I backed in, looked at the pile, and knew I could fit it in. The woman, 29, greeted me with the seventh reason. You got more than you bargained for, comment. She was very nice as I loaded the van and told me her friend was going to help finish her move. She had to go to work. Believe it or not, she had trouble getting an Uber. I wonder why.
No wonder.
Exactly.
Jeff, I got to say, I would have probably just driven right by. You didn't. So, hey.
No,
that's good.
Jeff. Oh, he's eating dinner. Okay, don't choke on the chicken wings or anything.
All right, well, on the way, she explained her parents were in New York. Number 8 reason would be that they ordered the ride, so the odds of a tip were small. Yeah, pretty much. Number 9 could have been that the cat litter box, but I figured I'd spray and air out the car. Number 10 was when, after telling me twice, she just needed me to put everything on the sidewalk. She would take care of it. I found out it was on the second floor. She was from New York, and being from Jersey, I knew at that point I was in the right place and I knew what I was going to do. When we arrived, it had just gotten dark, and although she had been there, she was legally blind and had trouble finding the apartment. Number 11 was when I realized the apartment was not next to the parking lot, but all the way around the building. I had to point her in the direction of the back of the building, and I told her I would bring her everything. Hold on a second.
How about it, Jeff? See that? Not Sunshine Man, Jeff. You, Jeff. See, you wouldn't do this, would you?
No. I got a BMW. I don't even fit 2 suitcases in that thing.
All right.
It was 6 or 7 trips up the stairs, and I kept the ride going for 15 to 20 minutes extra. She sincerely thanked me, offered me water, and I left. The 29-minute ride, 18 miles, was 55 minutes in the end. There was a small surge on the ride, and I hit my weekend goal by a few dollars. At that point, it didn't matter if I got a tip or not. The rider paid $24.11, and I received $19.57 of it. Uber lost out. I did make $2 less with upfront pricing. Halfway home, her parents tipped $45 for the ride. I'm not saying anyone should give a ride like this, but would I do the same thing again? Absolutely, even without the tip. There's no price on kindness we can provide, not just for riders, but anyone.
Way to go. Thank her
Way to go,
parents.
Jeff. Way to go,
Great
Jeff.
people for taking care of that man.
Where you go, Jeff? Look at that.
Here's the thing. Some people
$65. $65. Take that. All you
And a cat litter box
Nellies out there.
Yeah. Hopefully, it didn't hit the brakes too hard, and that cat litter box just fell over. I hope not.
Cat litter all in the car.
Oh God. I think it's the cat shit and kiss that you got to worry about.
Yo,
No. Let me tell you something. Jeff, you're my hero. Okay. 99 out of 100 drivers I know wouldn't do this on the second reason for cancellation, which was 29 minutes the other direction when at the end of the day. Okay.
That means you got to come back.
All this shit, carrying the shit upstairs and downstairs, the cat litter box and the bags and the half-blind girl, whatever. That's why Jeff is Jeff. Okay.
Uber driver of the year, man. I give it to you. Uber driver of the year already. You got it.
Yeah. Uber should get a hold of you.
Took care of you, man. That was cool. Yeah, man. That was real cool.
Hey, he's a contributor for the RideShare Guy. We picked the right people right here. Look at that. $65 for 54 minutes. Yes, the tip was not a guarantee, but you know what? He did it out of the goodwill and paid forward, Jeff.
That's it.
God bless you, man.
That's it, brother. That's it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.